Hey everyone, if you're using Jupyter X and Elementor to power your online store, you know how important it is for your shop page to look fantastic. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to truly customize your WooCommerce Shop page in Jupyter X using Elementor. And guess what? We're diving deep into styling regardless of whether you're in simplicity mode or not. And if you're new here, Jupyter X is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by over 200,000 users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450-plus ready-made websites, and comes with a one-time payment instead of recurring fees. Let's get started. Let's dive into styling your shop page in Jupyter X using Elementor, no matter the simplicity mode. To begin, we'll head over to the dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Layout Builder. This core feature of Jupyter X lets you craft custom layouts for various parts of your site, including the WooCommerce Shop page. You'll have full control over product displays, archive settings, and more to perfectly tailor your store's look and feel. Next, let's edit our product archive layout with Elementor. You'll see how simple it is to update your shop and instantly preview the changes. Click Edit to launch Elementor and begin customizing your shop page. Get ready to transform its look. To start, let's edit the Products widget in our shop page template. Clicking the Edit icon reveals settings for the Products widget. If your website's simplicity mode is turned off, you'll see a drop-down that lets you choose the source of the shop page's layout and style source from the customizer. Or you can choose a custom option to directly manage the shop page style right here in Elementor. By selecting Custom, I will continue to edit my shop page's layout and style here in Elementor. Moving on, click the Columns drop-down to pick how many columns of products to show. For a cleaner layout, I'll select 2 columns to display products side by side. The Content Layout drop-down lets you choose the layout and position of each item on your shop page relative to its image. If you prefer, select Content on the side to position product details next to the images instead. Alright, so now that we're happy with how the products are laid out on the shop page, it's time to dive into the fun stuff, styling. Let's just click on that Style tab and get this party started. Within the block settings, we'll adjust the overall style of each product item on our shop page. The column gap, as its name suggests, defines the space between your product items on each row. I will change its value to 25. And the row gap defines the spacing between different rows, which I also set to 25. Next up, changing the border type will give our product blocks a distinct polished look. Click the drop-down to explore options. Choose Solid for a clean, continuous border around each product. To soften the look, let's add some border radius by clicking on the border radius input. Applying a border radius of 25 adds subtle curves, making the design feel more modern and inviting. Next, let's pick a border color. Click on the color picker and we'll set it to a shade of gray. Drag the color selector to choose your desired color. Switch over to the Hover tab so we can customize how the shadow and border look when a user hovers over a product. Click the Box Shadow Color Picker to define its hover color. And we'll do the same for our hover color, but this time we'll choose black. This creates a nice contrast when someone hovers over it. Scroll down within the Edit Products panel to reveal more settings for further product display customization. See how the contents of each product item are touching the right border? To fix this, click on the right padding input box and adjust the spacing to give the products a bit more breathing room. I'll add 35 pixels of space to the right side, which tidies up the layout. Lastly, choose the center alignment option to balance all content aesthetically on the page. To fine-tune spacing, click on the Image drop-down. Here, you can adjust how the image appears and its positioning. Alrighty, so to get some breathing room above our product images, let's go ahead and click the top spacing input right here. Set the top spacing to 20 pixels for a little extra visual separation. Let's begin customizing the product title by clicking on the title option. Now dive into typography settings by clicking Typography to expand those controls. Start by changing the font family. Click the Family drop-down to browse available fonts. I'll select Josephine Sans to give my product titles an elegant, refined look. And here we can adjust the title size. Now let's test out some lighter font weights. Click the Style drop-down to explore different text styles available. Let's try the italic style and see how it changes the look. Not quite feeling the italics, so let's switch back to the default. Open the Decoration menu next to Explore Text Decoration options. Add an underline to the product titles by selecting Underline. On second thought, it looks better without the underline, so toggle underline off. Since we've tried everything else, let's not miss this one. Let's check out the transform options too. Just click on that drop-down and see the text transformation options. Oh, this one's interesting. It really makes the titles pop by switching them to uppercase. With these changes, we've styled the product titles typography. Let's customize the Add to Cart button by opening its settings. Scroll down to find the styling options for the button's appearance. Change the background color to make the Add to Cart button stand out more prominently. Alright, so I'll drag this little guy right over here to black. Let's open the color picker and choose a white text color so it stands out nicely against that black background. And there you have it. We've covered how to take full control of your WooCommerce Shop page's appearance using Jupyter X and Elementor. You now have the power to create a shop page that perfectly matches your brand and offers a fantastic shopping experience for your customers. I hope this tutorial helped you unlock some awesome customization possibilities. Happy styling, and I'll catch you in the next one.